Miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep. Obviously, जब मेहनत करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट तो आता ही है. एंड वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ आवर +2 स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट अचीव किया है. और आज पूरी जगह पर, हर पेरेंट्स बात कर रहे हैं डिप्स 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 ऑन एवरीबॉडीज लिप्स. तो हम सुकृति को कैसे भूल सकते हैं. कल जब हमें पता चला सुकृति स्कोर्ड 97.8%, तो हमारा दिल गार्डन हो गया. वेलकम 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 सुकृति. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटे. अच्छा, व्हेन यू रिसीव दिस न्यूज कि यू गॉट 97.8, what was the reaction of your parents and your own reaction?
So I was really overwhelmed with joy, and my mother too. And although I was a little disappointed because I expected a little more.
Come on,
But
97 point is a respectable. I think बहुत सारे बच्चों का ड्रीम होगा कि काश हमारे भी सुकृति जितने नंबर
I
आते.
also had a dream of 99%, but God always has a better
Yes,
plan, so
बिल्कुल.
we should remain satisfied with what we get.
Okay, what was the reaction of your siblings?
So my younger brother, he studies there at DIPS Kapurthala.
Okay.
So he was telling me, why did you score this much? I will your pressure on me. I have to score the same. So he was little happy, but he was at the same time he was annoyed as well.
Okay. अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ कि जब अपना गोल हम सेट कर लेते हैं और हमारे टीचर्स भी हमारे साथ होते हैं तो रास्ता आसान होता है कि पेयर प्रेशर होता है. अच्छा, उसने कर लिया, मेरा रह गया. उसने इतना कर लिया तो मेरा इतना कभी क्यों नहीं हुआ. तो ये अपने साथ एक थोड़ा सा फाइट होता है.
So वो कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट जब भी आती है ना, तो इवेंचुअली इंसान खुद ही बेटर करने के लिए कोशिश करता है. ऊपर से टीचर्स एट डिप्स कपूरथला, आई वुड से, आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन माय क्लास इंचार्ज मिस्टर रणबीर सिंह ठाकुर. If he wasn't there, I could not have achieved it. I would give a huge part of the credit to Mr. Ranbir
Thakur. Yeah.
So I'm really grateful to him, as well as I'm grateful to God as well, because he was always there with me whenever I was feeling a little lagging behind or what. So I'm really thankful and grateful to him.
Okay, Sukriti, you are your own model, role model, or you have certain people in your life, those who you are looking at and you are thinking that I want to become this type of a person, or I want to achieve this much success in my life.
So I would like to say all the independent women who are there in our country. I love the females who are independent, working on their own and earning money. I love that kind of women. So I want to be like all the girls who are like there.
Why you mentioned money? You want to be financially independent.
Stable and independent, because we know what will happen in our country. So I just want to be independent and a strong lady in the future. So that is.
Okay, in which year you joined DIPS Kapurthala?
I was studying here since nursery, like 2011 something.
Oh my God, you are our sibling और आज इतना बड़ा ड्रीम हमारा बच्चा बन चुका है. अच्छा सुकृति, ये बताइए, हर किसी का ड्रीम होता है, एक ड्रीम जॉब. What Sukriti has planned for her future?
So I'm still exploring options, but I'm seeing myself working in a huge MNC in the future and taking on major roles like a management consultant or a CEO maybe in the future.
Oh wow!
So I'm wishing to be there.
Okay, so which line you want to walk now? Are you preparing for your competitions also?
I would not like to reveal that, but yes, I'm focusing on a few major things.
Why you don't want to reveal it? Okay, by the way, which is your favorite subject?
Accountancy and economics.
Oh my God, accountancy. I was also doing commerce in my +1 and +2, but I was playing judo now. My more focus was on judo. So जब भी वो accountancy आता था, balance sheet, depreciation, तो मैं ऐसे होती थी. सर कहते थे क्या हुआ, जुडो करवा लो, है ना, ये नहीं करना. मगर I think it is a very technical subject. और एक बार आप solve करना लिख जाते हो, आपकी balance sheet का balance पूरा आ जाता है, you feel good, है ना. मुझे लगता है डोपामाइन वहीं से आपको मिल जाता है काफी.
It becomes more interesting, so you try. Yes, why shouldn't solve that question?
Yes.
That's
Okay, तो जब हम रिलैक्स होते हैं कि अभी अकाउंटेंसी नहीं करना है, बिजनेस स्टडीज नहीं करना है मुझे, तो मुझे अभी रिलैक्स होना है. तो सुकृति, what you are doing when you want to relax, calm your mind?
So there's nothing like that. I start watching television or I go out for a walk. That's what I do.
What kind of program you are watching?
Television, like should I mention it? The Kapil Sharma show.
Oh,
Like
wow.
people getting interviewed there.
Okay, would you like to go to kitchen or prepare something for yourself?
Yes, the night duty is mine. I have to cook whatever there's to be made in the dinner.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Actually, one thing, would you like to say something to your juniors who are in pressure कि हमको भी ये अचीव करना है, पेरेंट्स कहते हैं आपको ये करना ही करना है, टीचर्स भी कहते हैं आप और अच्छे मार्क्स ले सकते हो, है ना. तो वो एक आपने भी वो सेम आप गो थ्रू हुए हो, तो आप अपने जूनियर्स को क्या कहना चाहते हो?
सो मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप बस फोकस करिए अपने काम पे, जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं, बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ एंड अपने पेरेंट्स का भी सुनो, साथ में टीचर्स का भी सुनो, बिकॉज टीचर्स जो आपको गाइडेंस देंगे वो अभी नो कि पेरेंट्स नहीं दे पाते, बिकॉज टीचर्स को एक्सपीरियंस होता है, उतने टाइम से पढ़ा रहे होते हैं. So never argue with your teachers and always listen to their guidance.
And never argue with your parents
Parents
also.
too,
Yeah, बिल्कुल. अच्छा, मैंने देखा है सुप्रीति कि हम बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स ले लेते हैं, 99 है ना, मतलब एक नंबर के पीछे कितनी परसेंटाइल थाउजेंड्स में चली जाती है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करेक्टर, योर प्रेजेंटेशन, योर बिहेवियर, है ना, विद योर पेरेंट्स, तो वो आजकल लगता नहीं है कि हम अपने पेरेंट्स को ज्यादा कैजुअल ले लेते हैं. तो सुकृति का अपने घर में कैसा है पेरेंट्स के साथ बिहेव, और पेरेंट्स का आपके साथ कैसे है?
No, I would say I don't want to sound like a narcissist, but yes, I'm a very obedient
Oh,
child.
wow.
So I follow whatever they say. I follow their instructions. I'm a good
Okay.
child.
Okay, you're a good child. Okay. Are you watching new movies also?
No, not really.
Okay. So Sukriti, we are so delighted to have you in this conversation.
Thank you.
And we want to wish you lots of love, luck, more power to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And may we meet again. May we take your interviews once again. And may you have a wonderful, successful life. So, मेरे साथ आप भी बोलिए, dips on everybody's lips.